Happy New Year's, everyone. It's going to be the next year. Oh my God, 2021 has felt fast. For me. Anyways, I have a very special job for the New Year's. After my branch line duties, I'm taking... Whoa, Percy, slow down. Sorry, Thomas, I have to go. I have the tables and chairs, for the... Percy, calm down. Okay. I have to take the tables and chairs, to the party. It's the afternoon. It is? Yes. Did you finish your other jobs? Yeah, I did the mail. Wow, that's quick. Anyways, I'm still on my branch line. I haven't even picked up the passengers for the party. Oh. Well, I'm gonna be late. I promised me I'd meet her at the docks. That guy always has something. Anyways, I actually have to go. I'm gonna be late for my next stop. If I keep talking to you. Well, hope you enjoy the New Year special, James Fireworks. I can't believe me, James, is pulling a freight car. You got my freight car. Thank God, James. Just put it next to Cassie here. Oh, why? Well, James, if you must know, this is for the food for the party. Well, I'm taking the fireworks, the most important part of the party. James, I don't think, out of my way, I gotta get polished. Cassie, do you see Henry with the food? Yep, he's down there. He's almost here. Awesome. I'm here. Awesome. Come on, I gotta load this food up real quick. You're all good, Mia. I gotta go and do more deliveries. Bye. Percy should be here any second now. I'm here. I'm so sorry I'm late. You're not late. You're early. Come on, let's go. I'm pretty sure I'm late. Oh, can't. My controls. Whoa. Oh, where is that person with my fireworks? So sorry, James. I'm not a shunter, you know. Edward's gone. All the tank engines. Yeah, that's not an excuse. I'm not supposed to be shunting. No one was... You were just sitting there saying, "Where's my fireworks?" Being an annoying brat, so I grabbed it for you. Wow. That's so rude. Now, if you excuse me, I must be off. And I'm rude. Cassie, what's wrong? I lost control. I can't control my movements. Huh? Oh. What? I got control, but I can't move. You're too heavy. What? I'm trapped? No! Get me off. If you shake off, you'll be broke. You'll be broke. Great grammar. Hey. No, I'm trapped. Who's gonna bring the passengers? I still have to get them from Wellsworth. What? Uh-oh. Food? Check. Tables and chairs? Check. No people or fireworks. Great. What are we gonna do? Well, we should have been here by now. We only have an hour left. Let's go look for him. Yeah. I'll find James. I'll find Thomas. Yep. Let's go. Just gotta go past the narrow gate. Yeah, we don't think so, buddy. Hey, right through. Sorry, but we are enjoying the fireworks for once, not you. Oh, come on. Sorry. There's an X here for our narrow gauge track and not for you. Now hand over the fireworks. No. Oh, is that the way you're gonna play it then? I can't believe I ruined the party, Cassie. You didn't ruin the party, Thomas. I did. No, I did. Guys? Huh? Henry! Hi. Take Annie and Clarabelle, quick! There's not much time. Passengers at Wellworth for the party. Really? Me? Go! Where are you? Go! Okay, I'm going. Come on, ladies. Whew. Come on, guys. There has to be. Let him go. You think we're just gonna let him go like that, don't you? Well, we're the narrow gauge. No. James, help! Help! James, you're not gonna leave your friend, are you? Yes, James. Fine. Ow! Mia, hop on. Let's go. Yeah, they're not getting away. There isn't a turntable for us. We'll have to backtrack. Stupid engines. We're missing the party. Thomas. Percy, get us down. Get me down. Get him down. I know what to do. I think I just hit this switch. Go! Oh my, come on, Thomas. We can't miss this party. You're right. Did Henry get... Henry has Annie and Clarabelle. Awesome, let's go. James, you can't keep running. I have a plan. Better be good. Okay, guys, hand over the fireworks. Yeah, I don't think so. Wow, leaving me. No. Okay, narrow gauge, listen up. So what if you guys come to the fireworks? We're stuck on the narrow gauge rails. Why are you guys so big? There's not enough. These are only narrow gauge engines. So we made you guys small and us big. Huh. Okay. I remember. James, come on. I know how to save the day. Leave the firework car to show our trust. You sure? Yes, leave the firework car. We promise not to touch it. See, that's ominous. Come on, it's Scarlo and Renee's. Yeah, you're right. This plan better be good, though. It is. Do we steal it? No, we're nice. Sounds like everyone's enjoying the food. You said it, Purse, but I hope Nia finds James soon, or else we're doomed. I told you this was a good plan. Yeah, but why do I have to carry the narrow gauge engines? And you get to carry my fireworks. Well, I can't carry narrow gauge engines. Or any engines compared to you. Whatever. Let's get going. Yeah, we got a party. We only have 10 minutes too. Let's go. We're here. I'll leave those for James. Why don't you take them? Why did he have that? Oh, because I got narrow gauge engines in tow. Why aren't the fireworks in place, Mia? Because that's your job. Really? Come on, it's your job. You deserve it. You've done a lot. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Wait, guys. We only have 10 seconds till New Year. Really? Let's count it down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!